Estudyante, madamo.
Hmm?
Hindi.
Ano pa siya?
Hindi, Luciano. Luciano. Luciano.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning and happy. Yeah, what is the day today? Mm-hmm.
Uh, um,
Oh, it's Thursday already. All right. Happy Thursday. And how are you now?
mm, good.
You are good. Okay, that's great to know. You're good today. So, one day left and it will become weekend, Saturday, right?
Okay.
Yes. So, do you have plans on Saturday?
Again,
Do you have plans on Saturday? Yeah. Where will you go on Saturday? Will you go to the beach? Will you go to the store, shopping mall, or where?
today I go. I
I will.
I went shopping.
Okay, you will go shopping? Wow, that's nice. What do you want to buy?
Um, clothes and food.
Uh-huh. Robot?
No,
Ah,
clothes and food.
oh, one more time, sorry.
Clothes and
Ah,
food.
clothes and food. Okay, one more time. I will buy clothes and food. Okay, one more time. I will buy
I will buy clothes and
clothes.
clothes and food.
Yes, very good. Okay, good one. And okay. So tomorrow, will you go to school?
No.
Ah, no, it's vacation?
Yes.
Ah, it is still vacation. All right. So what will you do tomorrow? Mm-hmm.
Again.
One more time.
Yeah.
What will you do tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. So will you go out with your friends?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Wow, that's nice. Okay, you and your friends will go out tomorrow, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for that. And now I guess I don't have any further questions for free talking. And what about you? Do you want to ask teacher questions?
No.
No questions. Okay. Now I want you to open our book. We are already in page number 18. All right. Okay. So teacher will also share our book for today. Okay, just wait. All right. Okay, I guess I downloaded it already. So wait. All right, here. I will now share it with you. Okay, so can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you can. So we are going to talk about here, page number 18. Okay, we'll have vocabulary first, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, listen and read. Listen and repeat. All right? So I want you to read this one first. Can you please read?
With
People.
it,
Yeah, read. People.
people all over the world have a special celebration. They talk, they take time to think about the past, meet family and friends, eat food, and have fun.
Yes, very good. So people all over the world have special celebrations. So how about in your country? What is the biggest celebration in your country? Mm-hmm. What is the biggest celebration in your country? Mhm. Yeah, what is it?
Mm,
Oh, this is too small. Yeah, what is the biggest celebration in your country? It is. How about that? Is that the biggest celebration in your country? That holiday.
Um,
Mm-hmm. Not that.
um, I don't know how to read it.
You don't know how. It's okay in Vietnam. What is it in Vietnam? I mean Vietnamese.
Is
Mm-hmm.
a New Year.
Yeah, New Year. It is that, right? Yeah, that. That holiday. So the biggest celebration in Vietnam is Tet, Nguyen Dan. Tet holiday, or also known as Vietnamese Lunar New Year, right? It's Tet. T, this one, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It is Tet. Okay. Anyway, every celebrations we do have or people wear different what? What is it?
It's a custom.
Okay, costume. One more time. Can you say costume?
A
Okay,
costume.
very good. Costume. Now, okay, do you wear costumes every day?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, other countries they have mask festival or or even other countries wear mask on a festival. All right? How about you? Do you wear mask?
No.
No. Okay. How about this? What is it?
It's a lantern.
It's a lantern. So other countries put lanterns on the streets, right? Every festival or any occasions. All right, especially New Year. All right, you can see many lanterns on on the streets, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. What is this one?
It's a party.
Okay, a party. Yeah, they make a party. Okay, and now what do you call this one?
It's a it's a firework.
Okay, fireworks. Okay, when do you see fireworks? When do you see fireworks?
Um that Miss Autumn Festival. Um, um
Mm-hmm. Yes, every Lunar New Year or that, right? Yes, okay. Next, other vocabulary we have also.
celebrate
Okay, celebrate.
celebrate
Very good. Celebrate. Next one.
dance.
Dance. Oh, do you dance?
No.
No, you're shy. Okay. So we have another one. Yes, every occasions we also what?
Dress
Yeah, we also
dress
dress up. We dress up, right? We wear those clothes, very special clothes, right?
yes.
Yes. And lastly, we have,
A
okay, what do
parade.
they do? They do a parade. Okay, school parade, government's parade. Yes. All right, now here, ask and answer, work with a partner. Okay, do you like to dress up?
Yes, I do. I have a many costume.
Okay, very good. I have many costumes.
Costume.
Costumes with S. Can you say s? S. Yeah, costumes.
Costumes.
That one. Very good. Okay. So now, since we are already finished with vocabulary, let's have grammar. Okay? For grammar one, you're going to learn simple past. Okay? When we say simple past, okay, it is an event happened in the past or it is already finished. All right? Yeah, using the regular verbs. So it is interrogative. When we say interrogative, it is question. Okay, asking questions. So now we have the auxiliary verb did. Okay, for the question. So now did you watch? Okay, if okay, if you yes, this one we have already did, okay, or past form of the verb. So the next verb should be in regular form, okay, or base form. So now, did you watch the parade? Yes, we watch. Okay, so you answer in past form of the verb watch. Okay, with ed. All right? Yeah. Every verbs that end with ed, those are past form of the verb. All right? Okay? But we have irregular verbs. So those irregular verbs change. Okay? Change the words. All right? They did not follow the ed form of the past verbs. All right? So okay. Like for example, go. Okay, what is the past form of go?
It's when.
When. Very good. Did it follow the ed? Yes or no? Does
Again,
it follow the ed form of past verb? No, right? Okay, like for example, this one, watch with ed. When? No, because this is irregular verb. Okay? Yeah, so regular verbs, those are, okay, like for example, here, watch, like. They end with ed or d. Okay? Understand?
yes.
Yes. Okay, now, okay, wait. Okay, let's play a game. Play a game, ask and answer. Take turns. Okay, I have here a coin. Okay, we'll use coin to play this game. Okay? So here, this one is the head. Okay, look carefully. This is the head and this is the tail.
Yeah.
Okay? So you tell me to stop. Okay? So whoever finishes here will be the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so whoever finishes first. Now, okay, you go first. Okay, if head, 2 moves. Okay, if tail, 1 move only. All right. Okay, so are you ready to play this one? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, you tell me to stop.
Okay. Stop.
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 All right. Is it a head or a tail? Oh,
I
sorry.
can. A tail.
A tail? No, it's a head.
A head.
Yeah, it's a head.
Oh. Okay. I can.
Oh, here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you have 2 moves. 1, 2. Okay. So what is this?
Is dress up.
Dress up. All right. Okay, you're now here. Good one. Okay, tell me to stop.
Stop.
Stop. Okay. So is it a tail or a head?
I can.
Ah, a tail. Oh no. A tail. So this one is parade. Okay, this one is parade. Okay, next. You. It's your turn. Tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay, a tail or a head? A
Um,
tail. It's a
tail.
tail. Okay. So,
Um,
one move.
oh,
Okay, what is it?
is
This one.
firework.
Okay, fireworks. Fireworks. Okay, very good. Okay, to tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Is it a tail or a head? Oh no, a tail again. Oh. Okay, so here, one, then, okay, earphones, music, listen to the music. Okay, you, three, okay, you tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay, is it the tail or a head?
And
Another tail? Okay, another tail. Here,
let's see.
what is he doing?
He's loud.
Laughing. One more time, he's laughing. Okay,
Loud.
very good. Okay, tell me to stop.
Stop.
Stop. Is it a tail or a head?
Um,
Oh, a head.
oh,
It's a head. Okay. One, two. Okay, here. They're dancing. Dance. Okay. You tell me to stop.
okay, stop.
All right. In three, two, one. Oh, a tail. So that means you're the winner. You finished the race first. Okay, congratulations. So you're the winner for this game. All right, and because of that, I'll give you 100 points for the game. Good one. Okay, now here, another vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary 2. Listen and repeat. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, listen and repeat. Okay, we have here. What is this one?
It's a birthday cake.
Yes, it's a birthday cake. Do you
Yeah.
like cake?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Oh, you like cake. What about this? You can put this on the cake. These are
Candle.
candles. One more time. Candles.
Candles.
Very good. Okay, next. A present.
A present.
All right, very good. A present. Next.
An invitation.
Okay, and invitation. Okay, invitation. Next.
It's balloons.
Okay, balloons. All right. Good one. All right. Okay, we are done with the vocabularies. Okay, let's have. Okay, you're going to answer them. Okay, you guess the vocabulary. First one, you write this on paper. You give it to your friends. So what is it?
Is an invitation.
Very good. And invitation. All right. How about number 2? It tastes sweet. It usually has candles on top. What is
It
it?
is a birthday cake.
Very good. It's a birthday cake. Okay, number 3. They
They
are usually round. They have air inside.
is a is a balloon.
One more time.
Is a balloon.
They are balloons. One more time. They are balloons.
They are balloon.
Very good. Balloons.
Balloons.
Very good. They are long and thin. You put them on a birthday cake. What are they?
They are candles.
Okay, they are candles. 1. Okay. 5. You use colorful paper to wrap it. You give it to the people on their birthdays.
Is
Ay,
a
hello.
present.
Hello, ulitin daw.
Uh-huh.
Oh, paano siya naman
Is a present.
A present. Okay, it's a present. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, good one. So we are finally done here and our time is over as well. So do you have questions?
No?
No questions. All right, congratulations. You have done well today. So because of that, I'll give you 100 points for our activity and discussion, plus 100 points for the game. So in total, you have 200 points. Wow. Okay, and also stars. Congratulations. And yes, teacher has to say goodbye for now because our time is over. So see you again next week. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye.
Mama? Parang?